Hello scrapers, struggling to stay on top of your brand's online reputation? What if you could pull Trustpilot reviews with zero coding skills? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Outscraper Trustpilot Review Scraper to extract reviews from Trustpilot business profile. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. To use this service, just click on Services and search on Trustpilot Review Scraper. Trustpilot Review Scraper returns reviews from a list of business in Trustpilot. For this example, we will be using the Outscraper Trustpilot business profile to scrape its reviews. Just paste the URL in the query box. You can limit the number of limit per one query to control the number of reviews you want to get. Also, you can use the languages and the filtering. You can also sort it by the most relevant and most recent. Once everything is set, hit Export Reviews. Here, you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. Hit Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. Once the task is done, download your result by clicking this download button. And you got a ready to analyze list of real Trustpilot reviews. And that's how easy to extract Trustpilot reviews using Outscraper. Try it yourself. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!